आगम गम धम धनी धनी सा निधम गम धम गम ग सा नि ग सा. Hello friends, you may be wondering what I up to. Well, that you would soon come to know once I finish the video. I think I am recording a video after a long gap of 2 months because I was busy in some personal stuff. However, here I am back, and this again is a topic related to life, what I have learned from life, and as I said, I would like to give it back, and I totally speak out of my experience of what I do. I never advise anyone that you should do similar things. I just speak what I have experienced or what I do in my life, and those who want to catch or those who fall in the same category would learn something out of it or would share their experience, and others can ignore. And I usually switch between a technical topic and a topic related to life. So today's one is a topic related to life. So it's a very small topic of how to apply filter in your life to acknowledge the fact that how lucky you are and how unique you are. It is another way of saying what people generally say, that count your blessings. How different is this than the part of counting your blessings? Is that by applying filter, I am not only counting my blessings or the fact that how lucky I am also proving myself that how unique I am. So let me tell you what filters I apply to acknowledge the fact that how unique and lucky I am. So I start with the filter of how many people in India would be chartered accountants. And this is beyond the filters of having good health, wonderful family, wife, kid and all. You can of course start with that filter. What I am doing here is going beyond that, because that is an assumption and people generally speak about those kind of blessings, that you have all body parts is a blessing, your wonderful family is a blessing. Of course, if you want, you can start with that, because that is the prime most important blessing. In today's video, I am starting the filter beyond that. So as I said, the first filter I apply is about how many people in India would be chartered accountants. So I feel proud about myself. The next filter is how many of those chartered accountants would be a practicing chartered accountant. And here by practicing I mean persons who wanted to do practice and are able to do practice, or in any business related to CA. So again, I am one of them, because there are people who wanted to do practice but due to circumstances are stuck in some job or any other field, but they are not able to do what they want. So, and I was amongst those who wanted to do practice, was in job, but life gave me a chance, and I am where I wanted to be. The next filter I apply is how many of those practicing chartered accountants would be lucky enough to have an office in such a wonderful area of Powai, where I am just walking. I have a walk every afternoon in this wonderful passage just below my office. So again, very few. So the filter keeps narrowing down. Now, how many of those practicing chartered accountant will have a degree in international tax? The list further narrows down. And finally, up until now, these are the filters. I can increase my filters as my life goes on. The last filter I apply is how many of those practicing chartered accountants will be lucky enough or would get time enough to be able to learn music professionally at this age. And that is the reason why I started the video with music. So guys, this is what I wanted to speak about, applying filters in your life to acknowledge that how unique or lucky you are. Thanks again. I will be back with a video very soon about a technical topic. Thanks. Bye.